Sa kapatiran natin seeking love at patuloy na wishing to have someone in their life to care for. Good luck! Sana makamit nyo na ang pinakamagandang regalo sa buong buhay nyo. The most beautiful word everyone wanna hear this coming heart day. Mga salitang gusto mong bigkasin, mahal kita, higit pa sa salitang tunay na pag-ibig. Ikaw ang aking habang buhay.
I love you more than the words I love you. You are my forever. I will never regret loving you. I will choose you every day. These are the words that Single Phi at Sigma miss to hear. Sana soon ay maging totoo din ang lahat. The words of Phi and Sigma who are truly in love.
Ikaw lang, sapat na.